Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to format your USB pen drive on your laptop. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows 10. Now I will plug in my pen drive on my laptop. You can see this is my pen drive which I recently plugged in. Now to format this, first of all go to this PC and over here you can see this is our USB drive. Right click over here. And over here you can see here is format. Click on this and you will find this small pop-up. Here you can see capacity, file system and its size. Now to format, just check this quick format and click on this start. And you can see here is warning. If you are here to format your USB, just click on OK. And now formatting process starts. And you can see format of our USB drive is completed. Just click on OK and close. And you can see 14.6 GB free of 14.6 GB. That means all the things over here are deleted. So in this way we can format USB pen drive on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.